So here I am, heading out to the park. Oh, I got a head mount, I got a neck mount, I got the shorty. And we're going to do some S2 Sports Cub Horizon Hobby flying. I got my controller, I got everything I need. So let's go get started. So here I am at the local park where I fly. And I also take the Armor and the Traxxas. And I thought I was going to take the MJX HyperGo H16 BM here. But I know the Traxxas, I had a lot of fun. I blew out a tire at one park and I blew out a tire at another park. And let me just tell you, right here, this little thing here, that's my microphone. So, not a camera, that's the camera. I'll put the camera on the neck strap here and go for a sports cup flight. I like to get back into my hobby. I never left the hobby. It's just that I watch a number of videos and I just can't believe the size. The size was like this big and everybody's, MJXs looked huge. Maybe it was the 1/14 scale I was, looking at, not the 1/16. So let's go get a flight and enjoy the day. We all complain about a number of things. Horizon balance and rock steady. Things don't look level, but here we are. Launch mode. Let's go get a flight while the wind is subtle. Oh, the wind is picking up. The sun's in your eyes. I got the birds up there, so they are in the, you got it, a thermo. A little windy above the tree line. I am fighting. I'd rather fight it. I'm going to let the plane navigate in the launch mode. It gave me my height I need, and then I'll get out of launch mode. It's just wants to fly itself. I'm flying opposite sticks right now. That's the best thing to do. Keep it low. Stay away from the trees. Inch it over. And fly into the sun. I'm putting it away. Had enough fun for the day. Rather fight with the wind and all that good stuff. One good flight's good enough for me. Teach yourself to fly. Oh yeah, let me tell you, if it's air, ground, sea, you have loads of fun in the RC hobby. Just like the camera. Sometimes things get a little difficult for some and they can't figure out the issues when you say, hey, could you do us a favor? Sit down while you're eating, because that's your downtime. Turn the camera on, take your smartphone, film your issue. The person would rather just type the issue over and over and over. They'll never find the issue that they have. Filming with the microphone, if you got a problem and it cuts out, probably your camera. Nobody wants to admit the microphone's the issue. On that note, I'm Fish, and I see you on many wonderful days of RC. Have a great day, everybody. Put you away so I can go squid out of here. Heading on out. Got to make a nice long U-turn. Oh yeah, I heard people complain that their camera, oh man, the horizon's not perfect and I'm all bouncy and all. Well, maybe it's the terrain that you're riding, pushing the action camera way too far. So as soon as I get off of this, maybe my ride will be a little bit easier. Safely get out and out of here. Whoa, don't want to crash. See how nice and smooth it is when you're on a smooth road than a rough road?
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
My friend Eileen got it. She worked here.
All right, now we safely gone around, everybody. Off we go.